How to fix Telegram limit exceeded, please try again error. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your Telegram limit exceed error. So if you have been constantly changing or switching your Telegram application, Telegram account from by logging out and logging in and logging out and logging continuously and repeatedly, so that's when the error occurs, because Telegram will either block your phone number that you used by blocking your account, or by blocking your IP address. So what you can do is just head over to your Telegram application and long press on it until you see the I option, and from here what you can do is simply click on storage option and just make sure to you have cleared your cache and cleared your data, in this case also as well, from here like this, by clicking on this option. And when you do that, it should clear your cache and storage and bring back your original Telegram IP address or settings to default. And if that doesn't work out, you may want to reinstall your Telegram application as well. And if that doesn't work out as well, you can also use some kind of VPN like this, and turn your Telegram application by following different IP address of using VPN. And the last option for you is just uninstall your current Telegram application, and you can alternatively use the Telegram X application. Mind you guys, this is not a third-party application, it's a trusted Telegram alternative for the Telegram application, and you can just use this one with the same login credentials. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.